Hello, hello, hello. How you guys feeling? Oh my gosh, may pa-echo-echo talaga. Ay! Pag sumabog ang tunog, alam niyo na, DJ Sting lang nga ni. Ay! Siyempre, parang napaaga talaga ang premiere ng Decades of Sound. So, time check natin is 58 minutes past 4 o'clock in the afternoon today. Starmates, how you guys feeling? Especially dun sa D1 mates. How you guys feeling, D1 mates? Hi! Siyempre, mala concert pala ata to. Paandar to, promise. Paandar to eh. Hi! Siyempre, maingay talaga dito dun sa labas. May nag-ano nun? May nagbibideo ka pala. So now it's time to shout out to my visitors right here. Okay, big confirms! Shout out sa'yo. Oh my gosh. And another audience right here. Look at me now. Look at me now. Shout out sa'yo. Look at me now. Oh my gosh. Bear Hunter! Shout out sa'yo. And lastly, I give a shout out to Bacon for Rams. Oh my gosh. And also shout out to my room elite, Cat Ems from Golden Eagle family. Shout out din sa'yo. Siyempre, nagpapa-concert naman tayo ng iba. Siyempre, paandar na natin to eh. Concert to! Promise! Di ba kayo naniniwala? Siyempre, nakaka-excite. Sobrang excited talaga. Parang, sabi daw ni DJ Sting, paagahin na natin to bago mag 7:30. Ayoko sana ma-delay yung telecast natin ha. Hi! Charet! So that's right, I'm so excited because 2 hours pa lang mag-i-start ang Decades of Sounds from classics to now. Oh my gosh! Parang napaaga talaga tayo dito ha. Siyempre, inuna ko lang ang tasking dun sa isa pang second family ko. Siyempre, I'm busy doing my tasking. Nasa Star Choir task sessions lang eh. So, you know about the event? Star Choir? Oy, charet. Activity pala to. Sorry. Mag-ano na lang kayo. Mag-upload lang kayo ng duet covers nga. Tapos, mag-join sa iba. At, ano ba feature? Dapat kasi, pag nakakuha kayo ng huling rewards mo, you will get a 1-day pro features. That's so excited. Actually, I'm going to get it before they gone. So, yes. Siyempre, tayo lang nasa musical podcast na tayo. Siyempre, all you have to do is subscribe my YouTube channel. Parang isang beses pa ako na ligwak dun sa YouTube channel. Kaya, I made a new one. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. So, if you want to queue up your favorite song, pakita mo lang ang boses nyo. Anyways, pag hindi nyo pa pinapakita, don't be shy. Baby, don't be shy. Bawal mahiya. You know it. So, maybe I'll see you in 7 o'clock in the evening tonight Bago pa mag-start ang Decades of Sounds from classics to now, dito lang yan sa D1, 12:06 a.m. The future of AM radio. So, pag hindi kayo nakasubscribe dun sa D1 Music Zone, mag-subscribe ka na!